Hello my dear subscriber, how are you all? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel and we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and my lovely fans, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of pure leather sandals designs for men's. My dear friends, these leather sandals designs and looks are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. So friends, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of leather sandals designs for men's, and these are the styles of sandals every man wants to wear in formal and needs in his wardrobe. So friends and my lovely viewers, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any update from my channel. My dear friends, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes, sandals and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will wait for your kind comments. And thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all friends.